Ever wonder what secrets the Arctic is hiding beneath its frozen surface? From seals sneaking through thick ice, to narwhals using their tusks to find food in total darkness. The Arctic holds mysteries few dare to explore. You won't believe how these creatures survive the harshest conditions on Earth. Ready to uncover the Arctic's hidden world? Let's dive in, but beware what we find might shock you. The Arctic spans 5.5 million square miles. A frozen world where temperatures plummet to -40 degrees Fahrenheit and darkness cloaks the land for months. Ice dominates, shaping every aspect of life. Yet beneath this harsh surface, a vibrant ecosystem thrives. Animals here have adapted in remarkable ways to survive the cold, the dark, and the scarcity of food. From the ocean depths to the snowy plains, life persists in ways few places on Earth can match. This frozen frontier, starting with the creatures beneath the ice. Their behaviors reveal secrets of survival in one of the planet's toughest environments. The Arctic's ecosystem relies on ice, serving as a foundation for its intricate web of life. Sea ice provides a platform for hunting, resting, and breeding. While the ocean beneath supports a diverse array of organisms. The polar night, lasting up to 90 days, plunges the region into darkness, forcing animals to adapt to extreme conditions. In contrast, summer brings 24-hour sunlight, sparking intense bursts of activity across the ecosystem. Plankton bloom beneath the ice, forming the base of the food chain by feeding small fish, which in turn sustain larger predators like seals, bears, and whales. On land, sparse vegetation supports grazers like caribou and small mammals like Arctic squirrels. This delicate balance maintains a complex network of life. From tiny organisms to massive marine mammals, all intricately connected in this frozen world. The Arctic's extreme light cycle of long periods of darkness, followed by endless daylight, shapes how species survive. Ice is critical, not only as a physical structure, but also as a catalyst for biological processes. Enabling life to thrive in harsh conditions. A wild animal documentary highlight these adaptations. Showcasing the resilience of Arctic species. The first inhabitants of this region have developed unique behaviors to endure the cold. Scarcity and fluctuating light. Seals, a key part of this ecosystem, have evolved remarkable traits to navigate and survive in this icy environment. Their ability to thrive under such conditions captivates viewers eager to understand Arctic life. Seals, like the ringed seal, thrive in the Arctic's icy waters. They maintain personal breathing holes called aglus. By scratching through ice up to 6 feet thick. This behavior allows them to rest and breathe while staying protected in the water. Seals form loose social groups near these breathing holes. Using low-frequency grunts to communicate underwater. These vocalizations help them coordinate movements, share space, and avoid conflicts in crowded ice fields. Their small size, typically under 5 feet, enables them to slip through narrow ice cracks, helping them evade predators like polar bears. This complex social structure is rarely observed by humans, but is essential for their survival in the Arctic's harsh environment. Seals also display unique behaviors, such as diving deep to forage for fish and crustaceans. Which sustain their energy needs in cold waters. Their thick blubber layer provides insulation and energy reserves, critical for enduring long winters. These adaptations highlight the remarkable ways seals navigate their frozen world. These animals thrive in such extreme conditions. Revealing the intricate balance of the Arctic's underwater ecosystem and the resilience of its inhabitants. From quiet creatures under the ice, we move on to discover a magical species with a unique horn. Narwhals, often called sea unicorns, navigate the Arctic's dark winters with a rare skill. Their 9-foot tusk and elongated tooth is packed with sensory nerves, It detects water pressure changes, helping them find open water in near total darkness. During the polar night, narwhals use echolocation clicks. Traveling up to 3 miles to locate shrimp and cod beneath the ice. Their flexible necks allow precise tusk movements, enabling them to probe tight spaces for food. This adaptation lets them access food sources other marine animals cannot reach, ensuring their survival in the Arctic's deep, dark waters. In the extreme cold, where light barely penetrates, narwhals thrive by combining their tusks' sensory abilities with echolocation. They emit rapid clicks to map their surroundings, detecting prey hidden under thick ice. This precision allows them to hunt in environments that seem uninhabitable. Their ability to adapt to such harsh conditions highlights the incredible diversity of life in the Arctic Ocean. Narwhals' unique traits reveal how marine species evolve to conquer challenges. The resilience and ingenuity of creatures thriving in one of Earth's most unforgiving ecosystems. Bowhead whales, reaching 60 feet, are the Arctic's giants. Their extraordinary lifespan, often exceeding 200 years, allows them to carry memories of migration routes passed down through generations. They navigate thousands of miles using acoustic maps of the ocean floor. Created through low-frequency sounds. Their thick skulls, up to 1.5 feet of bone, break ice to create breathing holes, a behavior unique among whales. A 4-inch blubber layer insulates them from freezing waters, ensuring survival in harsh conditions. Their songs, which change annually, suggest a cultural tradition rare among animals. These adaptations enable bowheads to thrive in the Arctic's icy depths. Living so long, bowheads store extensive knowledge of their environment, passing it to offspring to ensure successful migrations. Their ability to break ice and withstand extreme cold showcases their resilience. This remarkable longevity and memory highlight the diverse ways marine species adapt to the Arctic's challenges. These whales endure in icy oceans, relying on sea ice for survival. Humpback whales, stretching 50 feet, shape the Arctic's marine ecosystem. Unlike other whales, they use bubble net feeding, blowing air rings to trap krill, consuming up to 3,000 pounds daily. This behavior stirs ocean currents, bringing nutrient-rich water to the surface. Which supports smaller fish, that's seals, puffins, and other marine species depend on for survival. Their migrations, spanning 5,000 miles between Arctic waters and tropical breeding grounds, facilitate genetic diversity by connecting distant populations. This movement ensures healthy gene flow, strengthening humpback populations and the broader ecosystem. Additionally, humpbacks exhale carbon-rich breath, which promotes plankton growth. Plankton absorbs carbon dioxide, contributing to carbon sequestration and supporting the base of the marine food web. This process links ocean and atmospheric systems, maintaining ecological balance. By influencing nutrient distribution, food chains, and carbon cycles, humpbacks play a critical role in the Arctic's health. Their complex interactions highlight the interconnectedness of marine life. Revealing the delicate harmony within the Arctic ecosystem that sustains diverse species and global environmental stability. This dependence on ice connects to other Arctic species. Leading to exploration of land and air animals in the next section. Where similar adaptations sustain life in this frozen world. Arctic ground squirrels face the Arctic's long winters with a unique strategy: energy banking. Unlike other wild animals, they double their body weight by late summer. Storing fat to survive up to 8 months of hibernation. During this period, their body temperature drops to 27 degrees Fahrenheit, the lowest among mammals. Yet they wake every 2 weeks to shiver, maintaining muscle mass. This cycle, called torpor, is a tightly regulated process. Burning fat at a precise rate to sustain them until spring. Their burrows, dug 3 feet deep, shield them from predators and freezing winds. This efficient energy management allows these wild animals to thrive in the Arctic's barren tundra. Where food is scarce for months. By carefully storing and using fat reserves, They endure extreme cold and prolonged starvation. Their ability to lower body temperature while preserving muscle through periodic shivering demonstrates remarkable adaptation to harsh conditions. Arctic ground squirrels' survival strategy highlights their intelligence and resilience. Small wild animals can overcome the challenges of an unforgiving environment. Their precise energy management ensures survival, showcasing the strength and adaptability of these creatures in one of the planet's most extreme habitats. Canada lynx shape the Arctic's ecosystem through their diet. Unlike most predators, they rely almost entirely on snowshoe hares, consuming up to 200 annually. This predation controls hare populations, preventing overgrazing of tundra plants like willow, which smaller wild animals depend on for survival. Less known is how lynx recycle nutrients. Their scat enriches the soil. Promoting plant growth in the nutrient-poor tundra. Their thick fur provides camouflage. And their oversized paws, functioning like snowshoes, enable efficient hunting across snowy landscapes. By maintaining this balance, lynx indirectly support other species. Playing a critical role in the Arctic's fragile ecosystem. This intricate interaction is in a wild animal documentary, showcasing the lynx's ecological importance. Their specialized diet and hunting adaptations demonstrate remarkable survival strategies in harsh conditions. The nutrient cycling from their scat fosters plant growth, benefiting the broader food web. Wild animal documentary, highlighted by the intelligence and resilience of these small creatures, thriving in extreme environments. The lynx's ability to regulate hare populations and sustain tundra vegetation highlights their strength and adaptability. Inspiring awe for how such wild animals maintain balance in the challenging Arctic ecosystem. The Arctic fox is a small, hardy animal thriving in the icy Arctic tundra. Its thick, white fur keeps it warm in freezing temperatures, blending perfectly with snow for camouflage. In summer, its coat turns brown or gray to match the rocky landscape. Arctic foxes are omnivores, eating small mammals, birds, eggs, and even plants like berries. They are skilled hunters, using their keen sense of smell to find prey under snow. These foxes live in dens, often dug into hillsides, where they raise their pups. They can survive extreme cold, down to minus 450 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to their compact bodies and furry paws that act like snowshoes. Arctic foxes are solitary, but form strong family bonds during mating season. Their populations are stable, though climate change threatens their icy habitat. How do Arctic foxes adapt so well to such harsh environments? These resilient creatures are a testament to nature's ability to endure tough conditions. But warming temperatures could challenge their survival. Protecting their habitat is crucial for their future. Turning to the skies and coastlines. Other wild animals also rely on sophisticated signals to survive their challenging environments. Tundra swans, remarkable wild animals, undertake one of nature's longest migrations. flying 4,000 miles from the Arctic to southern U.S. wetlands. They navigate using Earth's magnetic field, detected through iron particles in their beaks, ensuring they return to the same Arctic breeding grounds annually. Pairs mate for life, sharing parenting duties in shallow tundra ponds. Their goslings, born in June, develop rapidly, ready to fly within 10 weeks due to the short Arctic summer. During migration, swans consume up to 8 pounds of pondweed daily. Fueling their long journey and aiding wetland ecosystems by dispersing seeds. These wild animals travel in family groups, maintaining strong bonds that support their survival. The migration demands immense energy, with swans facing harsh winds and predators. Yet their dedication to reaching breeding grounds showcases their resilience. Their lifelong partnerships and shared care for young inspire awe. The sacrifices and efforts of these wild animals to ensure the survival of their offspring enduring grueling journeys for the next generation. Puffins thrive on Arctic coasts, living in colonies of thousands. Their cooperative parenting is a remarkable trait. Non-breeding puffins, often siblings, assist by feeding chicks, allowing parents to rest. This communal system, uncommon among birds, increases chick survival in the Arctic's harsh, unpredictable climate. Puffins dive up to 200 feet to catch fish. Using their wings to maneuver underwater with precision. Their serrated beaks can hold up to 20 fish at once. Ensuring efficient feeding for the colony. They dig burrows about 3 feet deep into cliffs to protect chicks from predators like gulls. This teamwork and specialized anatomy make puffins essential to Arctic coastal ecosystems. Supporting both their colonies and the broader environment. In a wild animal documentary, The Puffin's Dedication, as non-breeders sacrifice time and energy to ensure the next generation thrives. The effort to sustain their young in such a challenging environment evokes deep emotions. Highlighting the strength of community bonds. Another Arctic icon demonstrates remarkable survival strategies. The polar bear, often called the king of the Arctic, relies on its own unique adaptations to dominate the icy landscape. Showcasing the resilience of Arctic wildlife. Polar bears, reaching 10 feet tall, dominate the Arctic. Their parenting, often overlooked, is a key to their survival. Mothers nurse cubs for 2 years, teaching them to hunt seals by observing her stalk breathing holes. Cubs learn to wait patiently, a skill critical for ambushing prey. Unlike other bears, polar bears don't fully hibernate. Mothers stay active to protect cubs, losing up to 500 pounds during nursing. Their paws, lined with fur, grip ice like cleats, enabling them to roam vast distances. This dedication ensures cubs grow strong, ready to face the Arctic's challenges. In a wild animal documentary, the mother's tireless efforts to prepare their young for survival. The bond between mother and cub, forged in the harsh Arctic, sets the stage for the emotional climax in Act 3. Cubs rely on their mother's guidance to navigate the icy terrain and master hunting techniques. This nurturing process highlights the strength and resilience of polar bears. How these animals connect in a delicate web of life. Species on land, in the air, and in the ocean link through food chains and the icy environment, leading to the concluding act. From the dominant species on ice and land, we'll see how it's all connected in a complex food chain where every creature, no matter how small or majestic, plays an indispensable role. The Arctic's web of life binds its creatures together. Bowhead whales, which eat plankton blooming under ice. Seals, hunting the same fish, become prey for polar bears. On land, Canada lynx control hair numbers, preserving tundra plants. Arctic fox, scavenging leftovers, keep the ecosystem clean. Puffins and tundra swans spread nutrients through their waste, fertilizing coastal and wetland soils. Polar bears anchor the Arctic's food web. Beyond hunting seals, they scavenge whale carcasses, leaving scraps that sustain Arctic foxes, gulls, and other smaller scavengers. supporting biodiversity across the ecosystem. This behavior, often overlooked, ensures that nutrients are redistributed, allowing smaller species to thrive in harsh conditions. Their tracks on snow compacted, creating pathways that ermines and other small predators use to hunt efficiently, enhancing their survival. Polar bears swim up to 100 miles between ice floes, spreading scent markers that guide other bears to food sources. Maintaining connectivity within their populations. Their predation regulates seal populations, preventing overgrazing of fish stocks, which supports the balance of marine life. This intricate role highlights their status as a keystone species, shaping the Arctic's survival network. By influencing scavenger communities, facilitating movement and controlling prey dynamics, polar bears foster a complex and harmonious ecosystem. Their interactions reveal the delicate balance that sustains the Arctic's diverse species. Underscoring the interconnected web critical to the region's environmental stability. Under the Arctic's fleeting summer sun, life erupts in a symphony of resilience. Tundra swans weave through golden light, their cygnets trailing in rippling ponds, learning to paddle against icy currents. On jagged cliffs, puffin chicks, plump from their colony's tireless care, take their first daring plunge, wings catching the wind as they soar. Across thinning ice, polar bear mothers, weathered by sacrifice, guide their cubs through churning seas, teaching them to stalk seals with silent precision. Their stories call us to act. Supporting wildlife reserves, reducing our carbon footprint, and spreading their tale. The Arctic's legacy is ours to protect. A fragile masterpiece of nature's grit and grace. Join us, subscribe to our channel, explore conservation efforts, and help ensure these extraordinary lives endure. Inspiring awe in a world that needs it most.